Hi friends, welcome to Sri Sai IT Hub. In this video of Core Java Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Java Array as method return type. So first of all, what is this method return type? So coming to the method, so method is a block of code which is used to perform some task in a Java program. And Java methods can take input parameters. Okay, so can have return type with return value. Okay, so here array. So array is a collection of values of same data type in a program. For example, I'm taking integer array a is equals to new int of 5. So the size of array a is 5. Or I can take integer array a is equals to, I can take set of values 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. So here array name a is an object reference variable in Java, which means that array is an object which will be pointing to set of values available in the memory. Right, so now coming to, so if a method returns an array as a return type, okay, so if a method returns an array as return type, then such return value, okay, so then such return value should be assigned to the same array type. It should be assigned to the same array type in calling method. For example, I'm taking m1 method whose return type is integer array. So I'll say here return b. So b is an array. So when I return an array, it does not pass values, or it does not return array values, but array reference code is passed. Array reference code is passed to the calling method. Okay, so array values are not returned, okay, but array reference code is returned. Okay, so this is what is return b. So when we say return b, it will not return the values of array b. It will return array reference code to the calling method. So in the calling method, when you are calling m1 method, so return b, so that b will be assigned to a. So in memory, both array reference variables a, b will be referring or pointing to the same array, and technically it is array reference variable assignment. So let us try to do this with a small program with clear understanding. So take a new page. So first write comments at the beginning of the program. Java array as return type to a method. So take the main class with main method and save this program in your working directory. Right, so first program execution starts with main method. So in main method, I'm calling m1 method without any input parameters. So this is the m1 method whose return type is integer array. So inside the m1 method, I'm taking integer array b 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So these are the initial values of array b. Okay, 30, 40, 50. So let us print b. It will print array reference code of array b. Okay, and then I'm printing array b values in m1 method. So take a loop for I equal to 0, I less than b dot length I plus plus, print b of I. So it should print, okay, b of 0, b of 1, b of 2, b of 3, b of 4, and say return b. So this b array reference code will be coming back to main method and it will be assigned to A, array A. Okay, so A is assigned with B. So when A is assigned with B in memory, A also refers to the same array which is being referred by B. So A, B both are pointing to the same array values 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So in main method, if you try to print array A values using the for loop, I equal to 0, I less than A dot length, I plus plus A of I 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 will get the same values as that of B of I 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 indexes, because both are pointing to the same set of values or array values in the memory, right? And finally, when you print array A using println method, it will print the same reference code which is created and available for array B. Okay, so save this program, come to the command prompt and compile the program. Java array as method return type. Okay, so no errors on successful compilation, and then run it. So first M1 method. Okay, so in M1 method the values of array B are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So its reference code is 5305068A. Now when we say return B, so this B will be assigned to array A in main method. So in main method, what are the values of array A? So the values of array A in main method are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, because both array A, B are pointing to the same array values in the memory, because array is a object. Object contains object reference code. And then when you print array A, it will print the same reference code of B array 5305068A. So both are referring to the same array values in the memory. So this is how we are supposed to work with Java array as method return type. So here array values are not returned, but array reference code is returned. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.